Every year, millions of tons of banana stems are discarded as waste.
This is the largest banana fiber processing facility in operation today, transforming nature's waste into essential hygiene products.
Keep coming straight, easy now. Okay, hold it right there. All right, bring the forks in, watch the back.
Look at the data from the SM. The microfibrils are perfectly aligned here.
Yes, that explains the improved absorption we saw in the last run.
For traceability, allowing us to monitor every product in real time across the entire production line.
The tensile strength simulation looks promising at this scale.
Agreed. Let's run the physical stress test on the blue fiber now.
Confirmation, shipment 41. Ensure all units are secured and the temperature is holding at 0 Celsius. You are cleared for departure.
With a robust presence across Europe, our market reach continues to expand, bringing quality products to shelves near you.
Typo. The difference in absorbency is clear. When we apply pressure, the modern pad stays dry.
This extra income has changed our lives. We can finally send our children to school.
These figures highlight the success of our new strategies. We've exceeded every projection, proving that our investment in
understanding your body is key. These resources are here to support you every step of the way.
This expansion allows us to triple capacity by Q4.
We are fully on schedule for the next phase.
We're utilizing banana fiber cores for our reusable pads and developing these new biodegradable packaging solutions.
Global banana cultivation is concentrated in these tropical regions, creating millions of tons of annual waste.
As you can see, the process is fully integrated. This agreement secures the technology transfer for the region.
Excellent. We look forward to a successful partnership.
Once scanned, the system immediately provides the complete history, including the source, quality assurance, and the entire distribution chain.
Ensure the data points align with the hard copy in Section 3B.
Yes, Director. The digital entry confirms the physical submission date.
This data confirms the need for the update. The negative reviews dropped significantly after the last patch.
Exactly. By integrating the feed,
The absorption rate on the leading competitor is still faster.
Yeah. That's reflected in the market share data right here.
We need to leverage that weakness in the strategic rollout.
Looking at the cost breakdown, the pad significantly undercuts traditional products, offering superior value and performance across the board.
As you can see from the projections, this partnership will significantly boost sales. We've secured prime placement in all major chains.
The comfort is simply unmatched.
It handles beautiful, especially uphill.
Knowing it's sustainable makes a difference. I couldn't be happier with this product.
We've reviewed the data, and the safety profile is excellent.
It's also clinically proven to be hypoallergenic and suitable for sensitive skin.
The pads meet all biodegradability requirements. The documentation confirms the sustainable sourcing.
Excellent.
Carbon offset programs support vital work, from planting new forests and developing clean energy.
The data confirms the new biopolymer blend exceeds our sustainability targets.
And the material breakdown is significantly faster than the current packaging.
The training programs really prepared me for this management role.
My team is now developing the next generation of sustainable materials.
Our blockchain system ensures complete transparency from farm to table. We can track the ethical sourcing of every product.
Remember to check the safety signs before starting work.
Your blood pressure is perfectly healthy. Keep up the good work.
Welcome to the factory. As you can see, we're turning the stems into fiber.
That's fascinating.
We also offer comprehensive environmental education in the field.
Situation. Unlike synthetic materials, the natural structure of the banana fiber ensures maximum. As per the agreement we signed, this training will help us achieve the long-term supply goals. By implementing LED lighting and advanced waste heat recovery, we've drastically reduced energy consumption.
Thank you. We are deeply honored to accept this award on behalf of the entire Banana Stem Factory team.
Our investment in infrastructure has transformed the banana stem facility, integrating advanced robotics and sustainable processing.
As outlined in the continuity strategy,
Our priority is maintaining critical functions and ensuring the safety of our teams.
Films.
The new IoT deployment has boosted our efficiency by 15%.
And the predictive models
By 2030, we can reduce carbon emissions.
This community garden is a model for urban sustainability.
Education is key to adopting these new strategies.
This is where we process the stems, ensuring zero waste.
And that commitment to sustainability has driven our growth this quarter.
The collaboration between the NGOs allows us to reach a broader demographic.
The community response has been overwhelmingly positive.
We are proud to recognize this year's sustainability leaders.
We must ensure these policies are equitable.
These canvas bags are much better than plastic.
Yeah, absolutely. That will be $25.50.
Harnessing the power of nature, our commitment to quality grows with every stem. Thank you for supporting sustainable innovation.
If this journey from waste to wellness inspired you, subscribe to our channel for more inside looks at sustainable manufacturing.